In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Operating one-handed mode on this HUAWEI is really easy. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll all the way down to access accessibility features available here. Then tap on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. When your switcher turns blue, you need to read all of those instructions to use one-handed mode. If you are using gesture navigation, slide your finger across the bottom of the screen and hold. If you are using tricky navigation, slide your fingers across the bottom of the screen. So when I do that and hit got it, one-handed mode was successfully enabled. Now you can operate your screen in this little window. If you wanna go back, click on blank area. If you want to use it on the other side, just swipe in an opposite direction. Go back the same way. To disable it completely, use blue switcher until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!